When you've been involved in a wreck, it's hard to know where to turn. And it's tempting to just say, well, I'm just going to wait and see. And there are dangers if you decide to wait and see. At first, you might even get a few phone calls from the insurance company. It's going to be from a friendly adjuster who's going to act like they care about how you're doing. And you're going to think, well, I'm just going to wait. And I'm sure this insurance adjuster is going to see that I'm taken care of. You've heard their advertisements, you're in good hands, or we're on your side. But you need to remember, they are out to protect the interests of the insurance company, not you. So it's important to hire someone to help you. Let's talk about some of the dangers of the wait and see approach and why it's probably best that you hire an attorney sooner instead of waiting. One possible risk is something called the statute of limitations or statute of repose. And what that means is your time will run out to make a claim. And that time period varies depending on the type of case that you have. And the insurance company is well aware of those time frames, and you may not be. Another danger is when you wait, you lose the freshness of the case. And what that means is you may not be able to see the accident scene the way it looked on the day of the accident. The witnesses may not remember as clearly as they did right after the accident occurred. And it might be more difficult to gather other information. So it's important to gather that as soon as possible. Another danger is if you wait to seek medical treatment. The insurance company could use that against you and say that it is not related to the accident. It is important, if you are injured, to seek treatment immediately. We understand that being involved in an accident and being injured is very overwhelming. And we also understand that insurance companies are going to try to tell you that it's all going to be okay and it's going to all work out. But you have questions and concerns right now. We here at the law offices of James Scott Fearon, we have the knowledge and we have the resources to help you through this process and help you by gathering your medical records, determining who is at fault, speaking with witnesses, hiring an expert if it's needed, negotiating with the insurance company so you don't have to deal with them, and if necessary, taking the case to trial. Taking the wait and see approach can hurt your case. Let us here at the law offices of James Scott Fearon take on your legal burden while you focus on recovering from your injuries. For a free consultation, no obligation, call us or visit us online